And welcome guys to Varazze, as usual info at the end of the video, but first... Hi folks, welcome to the information part of the video. I'm Lawrence from Italy, and as you know, my aim is to show you many places around the world from my curious human perspective. If you want to help me grow this project, please like and subscribe. Let's talk about what you have just seen in this little travel film. We are in the northwestern part of Italy, near Genoa in Liguria, in particular in the western part of Liguria, called Riviera di Ponente. This is a very special place to visit. The famous promenade between Varazze and Cogoleto has been carved out of an old railway and it's completely pedestrianized, not counting bicycle and other strange vehicles, of course. You can start from Ater village. There is no direction of travel, there are no forks, it's almost all flat and it's really beautiful, both because in places it passes through strange characteristic tunnels and because if you are lucky and catch the sea a bit rough, well, water in slow motion. It's about 5 kilometers long, in short about an hour, but it's absolutely achievable. Just think, this is like the fourth time I've done this video. I like the place so much. Actually, you can't fly drones here anymore, but I had already shot in 2021 that there was no ban yet. So I won. So I hope I have enticed you to visit. Again, the video ends here. Thanks for watching. This video starts a short series on Liguria. You'll see how cool it is. In the meantime, folks, cheers!